You know that feeling when the heat's on from leadership? They want ROI, they want proof, and they want it yesterday, and you've got nothing but vanity metrics? Yeah, that pressure cuts you in half. So let's make sure that never happens. Hi everyone, thanks for joining. I'm Adam and I lead Digital Experience Analytics at Mondelez International, where I work closely with WalkMe to support large-scale enterprise applications. When you're running a digital adoption program today, data isn't a nice-to-have anymore. It's the foundation. It's how you prove that your DAP and the applications underneath it are actually delivering value. It's not enough to count logins or page views. We need to understand what people are actually doing inside applications, where they struggle, where they drop off, and what helps them succeed. That insight is what allows us to design smarter change, better training, and more effective WalkMe experiences. That's exactly what this session is about. I'm going to walk you through my top 3 practical tips for using data to grow your DAP program. Tips you can apply right away, whether you're just getting started with WalkMe or already managing hundreds of deployables. Let's start with the first tip: value discovery and value framing. Here's the thing, WalkMe is incredibly flexible. You can build almost anything, and honestly, that's where a lot of teams get tripped up. People jump straight into building without first agreeing on what success actually looks like. So step 1 is this. When stakeholders say things like, help us reduce tickets or we need to fix data quality, don't just nod and start building. Ask why, and then ask why again. Use the 5 whys to get to the real issue. Most of the time, tickets are just a symptom. The real problem might be confusing workflows, missing guidance, or inconsistent training. Until you uncover that root cause, you're guessing. Step 2 is building a KPI library. For each major value driver in your organization, things like productivity, compliance, or onboarding, standardized 3 to 5 KPIs. For example, check out this KPI library. Here you can see how this comes together in practice. This does 2 really powerful things. First, leadership starts speaking the same language. This is how we measure success. Second, it sets you up to automate reporting later as you scale. And the result? Better stakeholder conversations and a foundation for repeatable analytics. No more asking, what did we even measure last time? Once you framed value and built your KPI library, we move to the second tip: designing for value realization. Here's the trap most teams fall into. They build WalkMe content first, deploy it, and then scramble to figure out whether it worked. Analytics becomes this annoying afterthought. Don't do that. Instead, measurements should be the second phase of every project, right after value discovery. Here's how to approach it. First, establish baselines before you build anything. Use WalkMe's Digital Experience Analytics, DXA, to understand how people actually interact with your application and your business-critical workflows. Look at completion rates, time spent, and drop-off points. Pull in external data too. IT service management tickets, NPS scores, process metrics, whatever helps tell the full story. Second, go back to your KPI library and define concrete success targets. Things like 45% faster demand planning or 80% scenario completion rate. Third, and this part is critical, design tracking into your WalkMe solution from the start. Set up events for key clicks. Build funnels for critical journeys. Track engagement on problem fields. Yes, this makes projects take a little longer upfront, maybe 10-15% more time. But it does 3 massive things. 1, it replaces guesswork with real user data. 2, it lets you actually prove impact. Before WalkMe, 58% of users completed this workflow, and now, after WalkMe, it's 82%. And 3, it allows you to aggregate results across projects and have program-level conversations with leadership. This is how you move from hoping WalkMe works, to proving it works, to scaling what works best. Once you've discovered value and designed for measurement, here's the payoff: sharing results. This is where data turns into trust and where you position yourself as the strategic partner everyone wants on their team. Every project should end with a results review. You walk stakeholders through what we agreed on, what the data shows, what worked, and what we do next. When you do this consistently, you become indispensable. The key is tailoring your story to your audience. For technical or product teams, show the raw DXA data. Things like, here's the funnel drop-off at step 3, here's the click pattern on that cost center field, or here's exactly how WalkMe fixed it. They care about the mechanics. For business stakeholders, tell value stories. There is a problem of high abandonment in demand planning. The solution? Targeted WalkMe guidance. The results? Higher completion rates, faster completion per planner, and measurable annual savings. Use real numbers from DXA, ITSM, and your core applications, and visualize them on a value story slide. For executives, give them dashboards. Bring organizational data they can slice by department, role, or application. Walk them through the metrics visually and keep it outcome focused. And don't panic about all these report types. WalkMe Insights gives you pre-built reports and a powerful report builder. Yes, there's setup work, and yes, you'll want data pipeline automation. But that one-time investment creates a self-service reporting engine that proves your impact at every level. The bottom line? Be visible. Use data to tell your success story. This is how DAP programs move from tactical to strategic. Let's wrap up with 3 things you can act on right now, no matter where you are in your WalkMe journey. First, don't sleep on WalkMe Analytics. It's not just a reporting sidekick. It can become your organization's employee experience data hub. Most teams can't see what you see inside applications. Second, share your impact everywhere. Technical teams get raw interaction data, business teams get value stories, and executives get dashboards. Your program lives or dies by how well you tell your success story. And third, and this one's big, automate everything. Once reports work, schedule exports, set up data pipelines, and build self-service dashboards. WalkMe's integrations make this easier than most people realize. WalkMe Analytics grows with you. So, start small, share often, and automate ruthlessly. That's how you go from a tactical DAP team to a strategic digital transformation partner.